Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Roam. This also will work with the Move. Anything that's battery powered, this method will work for you. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to make sure it's turned off. Off, the easiest way to find out, there's no lights on. Okay, so we're going to press the play and pause button right here on the top and the power button on the back for a few seconds until the white light turns orange. Once it turns orange, we're going to release both buttons. Okay, so play and pause, and now the power button. Pay attention to that white light. There you have it. Now you can let go. So now your speaker's factory reset. Now you could resell it, give it away, and you don't have to worry about it being on your account anymore. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.